Far above the clouds, two mighty factions, Azgar and Suryagarh, were locked in a fierce conflict. Both nations had cutting-edge fighter jets. Azgar relied on its Falcon-X, known for its unmatched stealth technology, while Suryagarh boasted the deadly Flamewing-Z, equipped with advanced drone systems capable of unleashing fiery destruction from afar. The stage for the battle was set in the perilous Black Sky region, a stormy no-man's land infamous for its unpredictable lightning strikes and deadly turbulence. Asgar's top pilot, Captain Raees, was tasked with a daring mission: infiltrate Suryagarh's airspace and destroy their primary airbase. Meanwhile, Suryagarh's ace, Captain Abhimanyu, a tactical genius and fearless aviator, was assigned to intercept and neutralize the intruder. As Falcon-X approached the border, it activated its stealth mode, disappearing from all radar systems. But Abhimanyu, sensing danger, activated Flamewing-Z's thermal scanner, capable of detecting invisible threats. He launched a heat-seeking missile at the unseen jet, but Raees skillfully evaded it with a breathtaking barrel roll. The dogfight had begun. Raees switched to superspeed mode, darting through the skies and firing heat-guided rockets at Flamewing-Z. But Abhimanyu deployed an air shield, deflecting the rockets midair. The clash of their expertise and technology intensified as they maneuvered through the deadly storm clouds. Suddenly, a powerful thunderstorm erupted. Lightning illuminated the skies as both pilots pushed their jets to the limit. Abhimanyu released his fire drones, which stealthily trailed Falcon-X. Raees, thinking Flamewing-Z was retreating, charged forward, only to realize too late that he was being flanked. The drones struck Falcon-X, shaking it violently. But Raees, with nerves of steel, spun his jet into a daring dive and launched a counterattack directly at Flamewing-Z. Just as the two jets were about to collide, a massive lightning bolt struck Flamewing-Z, forcing Abhimanyu to eject. His jet spiraled out of control and exploded in the distance. Instead of celebrating his victory, Raees did something unexpected. He steered his damaged jet toward Abhimanyu's descending parachute and safely guided him to the ground. When they met, Raees simply said, "The battle ends not when enemies fall, but when humanity rises." This act of compassion inspired the leaders of Azgar and Suryagarh to negotiate peace. The war ended, and Raees and Abhimanyu's story of courage and camaraderie became a legend, reminding everyone that even amidst conflict, humanity must prevail. How did you like the story?